In this video, I'm going to explain about hoisting in JavaScript. What is hoisting in JavaScript? So, hoisting in JavaScript is a behavior that is shown on variable declarations or function declarations uh, before they are defined inside the code. In this, only function declarations are fully hoisted. For variable, they are hoisted, but it is not useful. And for arrow functions and function expressions, it shows either type error or reference error. I will show that with example. First, I will explain what is hoisting with where example. So if I write here console dot log x and then I write where x here. So this function, so this function now, uh, what how JavaScript takes this is first, if I write here var x is equal to 10. So in JavaScript it will take var x, it will bring initialization on the top and then console dot log x. So this is how it is interpreted in the code, and then x is equal to 10. This this becomes this in JavaScript. This is how JavaScript reads it. So it will not show error. It will show that yes, hoisting is possible, but its default value is undefined. So I will show that in VS Code hoisting. Console.log x x is equal to 10, and if I run this, undefined. For let it is in temporal dead zone. So reference error, and for const also it is also in temporal dead zone. A reference error again. So this is hoisting with respect to variables, but hoisting in functions. Now if I declare function, write that function greet. If I write here console dot log hello there, and if I run this code, if I declare all this function above it before it is declared, so now it will show no error. It is showing hello there. If I write welcome to coding, still it will show no error. Okay, fine. So this is running okay. But now if I write it in this way, that var greet is equal to function. Now it will show type error. Greet is not a function because it is defined below and it is defined using var. So it is showing greet, but it is showing type error. But now if I write here let So that will show error, but it will not show the same error. It will show reference error. Here it is showing reference error because it is in temporal. It is in temporal dead. So dead zone. We'll write it here for for let and cons the function is in temporal dead zone before declaration ttz ttz. And if I write here const also, so it will also show the same way. Right? Const again reference error for for where reference no for where it is type error for let and const type error reference error reference error. So this is done for function declarations and function expression. This is a function expression. Before this, where I wrote a function greet directly, that was function declaration. Now I'll do it for function arrow function. I write here var greet, if I call it greet. For where it is showing type error and for let and const it is again showing. For let and const it is again showing reference error. Again here it is showing reference error because uh, for where uh, default default value is undefined, and here it is in temporal dead zone for let and const. Then is that for all it is us dead, but for variables even after hoisting it is of no use because it shows value undefined. For functions only it is fully hoisted. For functions only function it is fully hoisted, which is a function declaration. Functions declaration. Okay. For arrow function, it arrow function and function uh, function expression it shows different behavior. So this is all about hoisting. I think if I write here function, if I write here function ABC and write here followed here ABC console dot log, and if I write here var ABC is equal to 10, that is console dot log ABC. So which value will it take? Okay, I have not opened the bracket. Clear? And welcome to coding undefined, and then so this var is taking this is taking the value of the function for ABC, and this is taking the value of this. Right? Like it's showing undefined. Being constant or top time. Okay, this is showing because of the default value of the ABC is undefined. Is it showing because of it? Right. Here it is showing only ABC, so no, I write it here. Then ABC. Alright. It is showing because of default value that is undefined. Other than that, my point was that if the same name is defined two times, so it will take this variable here and this here. So there is no mm, confusion. So your function is called here. and ABC where is defined, then it is called polymer. I think I have covered all the points of hoisting. Thank you.